Welcome to Family Hearth and Heart. Today, we're baking up something simple, sweet, and full of Southern charm: old-fashioned almond cake. This is the kind of cake that doesn't need frosting, just a dusting of powdered sugar and a whole lot of love. Here's what you'll need: butter, sugar, eggs, flour, and almond flour. A splash of almond extract and vanilla. And just a little salt and baking powder to bring it all together. Start by creaming your butter and sugar until it's light and fluffy. This is where the magic begins. Add your eggs one at a time, and don't rush it. Now we mix our flour, almond flour, baking powder, and salt. Stir it into the wet ingredients and add that beautiful almond extract. It smells like a bakery in Paris and a southern tea room all at once. Pour the mixture into a greased cake pan. Smooth it out and give it a little tap to settle. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 40-50 minutes until it's golden and a toothpick comes out clean. Let it cool before you dust it with powdered sugar or top with slivered almonds. This cake is perfect with coffee or tea. It's simple, elegant, and just plain good. That's the kind of cake that makes you feel like everything's going to be all right. Thanks for joining me at Family Hearth and Heart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this recipe with someone who loves a little sweetness in their day.